Welcome everyone to Nyakiba's Kitchen, where we explore delicious recipes, food hacks and Kenyan flavors, and we create homemade food. So today we're going to make pilau. Pilau from rice that has already been cooked and leftover meat. So I was just thinking, how do we do this so that we make it exciting? What if I told you that the secret to the tastiest beef pilau isn't starting from scratch, but using your leftovers? I have leftovers. Today I'm going to show you how to turn last night's rice and beef into a mouth-watering aromatic Kenyan beef pilau in under 20 minutes. Stay with me because this hack will save your time, money and impress taste buds, and make sure that your children eat your leftover foods. So here we go. So let's start. So you need to start with sliced onions. Heat the pan with oil. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. For pilau, you need to make sure they are golden brown. Make sure you have garlic and ginger. That gives you the rich aroma that will build the base of the pilau. So there it is. So as we continue to cook our onions, make sure they are golden brown so that you make sure that it gives you that brown color in the pilau. So keep turning them until they are golden brown. So there we have our ginger and we're ready to add it to the cooked brown onions so that it gives you that amazing taste. You guys, you have no idea how this is smelling nice. I'm so proud of this. It is already looking up and I've not even started the cooking. So this will start your process. So mix in the ginger and the garlic that is already ground, or yes, so that you can cook it together. That is very important in the pilau. So keep stirring as it continues to cook. So mix in the ginger and garlic to the onions. They are also cooking. And I think this is the best time to do this so that it gives you that flavor. And it also garnishes your food. That is the kick we are looking for. So if you don't have this, then... So I have tomatoes that I had peeled, frozen tomatoes. So I'm crushing them so that they can easily make the sauce for the pilau. So I've already removed the skin and I have put them in the microwave. I've melted the tomatoes. So I'm crushing them so that they can easily mix into the flavor and give us that nice pilau feel. So I am crushing them so that I can be able to make it into a tomato paste. But if you have some tomato paste, you can also use that instead of tomatoes. So I've put in 3 tomatoes and I'm ready to add it into the mixture. So our onions have been cooking and there they are, brown and burnt the way we want it. Add in the mixed tomato paste that I've made from the frozen tomatoes. So there I am, and I'm mixing them into the mixture, slowly cooking it in, making sure that the tomato paste mixes in a nice way, and it will bring out that pilau masala feeling before we added the pilau masala as a flavor. So you can choose to put in the tomatoes or not, but I like without the skin so that it disappears into the rice. So you're not able to pick out that the tomatoes were put in. If you put in with the skin, you can easily pick in the tomatoes. You can add tomato paste as an option. So I have tomato paste. I'm adding it in so that I can give it that amazing brown color. So I had already done my homemade, but that is bought. So I'm adding it in so that I can continue stirring to make sure that I have some serious sauce that is made for in preparation of the leftover rice. So we're going to transform this rice into something amazing, guys. So there I am continuing to crush in the tomatoes so that we have them very well cooked in preparation for this. So time to add our pilau masala. There we are. I've added all the pilau masala I had so that we can now mix in. We add some paprika. Seasoning is up to you, but pilau masala is a must. So see the seasoning I have. So I'm adding in the paprika. There it is, so that we give it that brown taste of an amazing flavor. Then I have some more spices. I don't know what they are called. We are adding that further masalas, just to make sure that we have some sauce that is ready for the pilau masala. It's up to you on the seasoning, but for me particularly, I make sure that I add that so that we have something that looks very amazing for my kids to eat, thinking it's fresh pilau. So there we are. The leftover meat I talked about. So I've put in the leftover meat, and this will be part of the cooking so that we transform it into some pilau masala. Remember, this is leftover food that we're trying to give life, and we're trying to make it look good. So I had some leftover meat and I've mixed it in with this sauce, and it is ready for the rice. So keep stirring. Then you can add in crushed carrots so that you give it life. Make it have vegetables as part of the meal so that the rice will pop with the carrots that you've already prepared. So add in the chopped carrots. Keep stirring with the beef. Give it some time to cook, because once you put in the cooked rice, then you're ready and set for the meal to come out. And what you need to do is to keep mixing so that you make sure that it soaks in all the flavor. So for the rice, the important thing as we are doing this, you put the rice in the microwave so that we can warm the rice, because I'm not going to take it a long time with the rice in there. So it's time to transform the rice. Add the leftover rice, breaking lumps as you mix. Gently stir until the rice is coated in the rich masala beef mixture. Keep stirring gently so that you don't break the rice into pieces. So there we are, slowly crushing the rice lumps because it's leftover rice. Then you keep mixing slowly with the masala, and you can see the flavor already. It's giving us that brown flavor of pilau, and the smell is mwah. It's amazing, guys. So guys, give it 5 minutes and let it cook on low rise. But you need to keep turning. I'm using a non-stick pan, but it's still sticking. So you need to keep turning and make sure that you ensure that this rice does not stick. Your leftover beef pilau hack is ready to serve. Guys, I hope you are with me as we're doing this. You subscribing, leaving a comment. Thank you for the love. And I want to guide you on this. Try this at home and see how delicious it is. You have it, a delicious, flavorful beef pilau made from leftovers. Quick, simple, and budget friendly. Who knew leftovers could taste this good? My kids cleared the entire meal. So if you loved this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell so that you never miss my Kenyan food hacks in Nyaboke's kitchen. Comment below. What is your favorite way to transform leftovers into something amazing? I'm good at transforming leftovers into amazing things. Check my other videos to see what I've done on my videos and try at home. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next delicious adventure.